When you're creating documents, it's best to create them in the folder that you want them to be in just to stay organized. So it's kind of like you would do on your regular computer of creating a document and saving it in the folder that you want it to be in. But with Google Drive, when you create the document, it's automatically saving it. So when you first create the document, you probably want to do it in the folder that you're going to access it with. So for example, if I was making a resource for Unit 3 of my reading and writing ELA curriculum, what I would do is I've created all these folders so I can go into 4th grade, 2014-2015, curriculum, ELA, and now I only have Unit 1 and Unit 2 because that's what we've done so far. So I want to create a new folder. So I'll go over to Create and click Folder. And I will label this Unit 3. So now if I wanted to create something, whether it's a PowerPoint or a spreadsheet or a document, I can go into the folder where I want to save it. And now I can get started with creating what I want to make. So I'll go back over to Create and I have a few different options. So Document is basically your Word document. Presentation is like PowerPoint. Spreadsheet is like Excel. Form is that multiple choice short answer where you can type in and send the results. And a drawing is kind of like Publisher. So most frequently you'll be using presentations and documents. So let's create a document. When you first create the document, the best thing to do is label it. So let's say I was labeling this nonfiction main idea questions. So to label the document, what I did was I went up to the top, clicked it, typed what I wanted it to be called, and clicked OK. Now, once you're in the document, it's very, very similar to Microsoft Word. You have all your fonts, you have size, you can change the color of your font, you can highlight, you can arrange it if you want it centered, you can work with your line spacing, you can add numbers, bullets, all the same things that you can do with Microsoft Word. Now, the best thing about Google Drive is that you don't have to save it. Everything is automatically saved. So if you look up here, it says all changes saved in Drive. This is where it'll show you if what you have been typing is saved. It should pretty much always be updated. So let's say I am typing the main idea. You can see it saying saving up here. And then after about 5 seconds, it comes up with all changes have been saved in Drive. So everything is automatically saving for you. So you never have to worry about losing your documents or accidentally not saving it and changes not being there that you might have done. Everything that you do is automatically saved. Since it's automatically saved, I can exit out of whatever I'm working in and my document has been created and it's right there. So I can click into it and you'll see that everything that I've been working on is there and I can continue to edit it. If I wanted to make a PowerPoint, I would create presentation. And just like in PowerPoint, it makes you choose a theme. So it has all the different colors and lots of things that you can click. So let's say I clicked, this is the theme that I want. I would click OK. So same thing, it automatically comes up as the title, Untitled Presentation. So you'll want to click into it, rename it, and click OK. Just like PowerPoint, this works very similar. I can change my background if I want. I can change the layout if I want to have columns, a blank slide, if I want to have bullets and things like that. I can work with it just like I would with PowerPoint. So to make it function, to present it like a PowerPoint, I would come up to the right-hand corner and click Present. And it comes up just like a PowerPoint, and I can click through the slides and all of those different things, which you will see me doing today. So now you're going to have a chance to practice creating some folders and documents, and later on we'll work on being able to share those with colleagues so that way when one person creates a resource, you can share it across the grade level or across the school. This makes collaboration even easier. Once you've created something, we can share it with others and share all the awesome resources that we make.